Hi, I'm Dr. Seema Yasmin for DallasNews.com, getting you up to date with the latest health news. A common foodborne illness is growing resistant to the antibiotics used to treat it, say officials at the CDC. The bacteria called Shigella causes diarrhea and sickens about 500,000 Americans every year. It's usually treated with an antibiotic called ciprofloxacin, but now the CDC reports that more than 200 cases of drug-resistant Shigella were reported in the US in the past year. Some occurred among children in daycare facilities. The CDC says the resistant bacteria was likely brought home to the US by travelers to the Dominican Republic, India, and Morocco. Shigella can cause serious illness in young children, the elderly, and anyone with a weakened immune system. More than 700 people are filing a billion-dollar lawsuit against Johns Hopkins hospital system for its alleged role in medical experiments in Guatemala in the 1940s. The US government has apologized for the study, in which hundreds of people were deliberately infected with syphilis and gonorrhea. American tax dollars were used to pay syphilis-infected prostitutes to sleep with prisoners. Soldiers, mental health patients, and orphans were also deliberately infected, some by injections into the spine. The experiments were to test the effectiveness of penicillin. Scientists might be one step closer to discovering what caused paralysis in hundreds of children in the US last year. The outbreak of paralysis occurred at the same time as an outbreak of enterovirus. Now scientists say a specific strain of enterovirus called B1 might be the cause, but many questions still remain. 115 children in 34 states have developed polio-like symptoms, and none of those children have fully recovered. That's the latest health news. For more on these stories, check out my blog at healthblog.dallasnews.com. I'm Dr. Yasmin with the Dallas Morning News.